Princess Rose and the Golden Bird. Most of us remember and cherish Cinderella as our most favorite character for decades. There are many more fabulous and cherishing fairy tales featuring beautiful characters. There are many unforgettable and cherishing imaginary characters live forever in everyone's heart. One youth, beautiful and attractive girl is Princess Rose. Princess Rose and the Golden Bird is one of the unforgettable fairy tales. The tale of the Princess Rose is here. Once a time there lived a beautiful princess named Rose. She had long, heavy, and shiny golden red hair. She was named perfectly as she loved and adored the roses. She had one glowing golden bird who will visit here in the evening. The princess and the golden bird will sing mesmerizing song, where all people in the kingdom peacefully sleep with sweet dreams. The bird will begin making the sound sing the beautiful hair of the princess, and she will jump with the bird. Both of them used to sing loudly to make people sleep and keep singing the lullabies until sunrise. Will people live peacefully, or which come to know about the golden bird and the hair color of the Princess Rose? She searched the princess and her hair turned ugly black. As used, the bird started singing, seeing the black hair of the princess and continue. Will people feel asleep? None of them had sweet dreams. Rather, they were terrible and fearful. Princess heard about the nightmare dream and was so worried. She asked the golden bird what she should do to turn her hair red. The bird asked her to dip her hair in rose water, and she did. Surprisingly, the hair turned beautiful red with the used glue. Audaciously, everyone fell asleep here, the lullaby, and had sweet dreams. Knowing this, the witch chose again and now removed a rose flower and petal from the kingdom. Bye-bye.